All right, Mary, I need to know, what is all the fuss about stretch books? Everybody's talking about stretch books.
Stretch books. Let me show you a stretch book.
All right.
This is it.
Where's the stretchy part?
The first graders each added a page to this, and this is how it goes.
Where's this? Oh, that's adorable.
See, it stretches all the way up. It can be hung, and it can be collapsed.
Okay, but the question is, are they hard to make?
A little bit.
I'm a little project challenged.
A little bit, and I'm going to show you how to make one. And if Pam can make it, anyone can make a stretch book. So don't let a stretch book scare you.
I'm not scared.
It's just a little bit of origami.
Oh, okay, I'm not scared.
All right. So
let's get to
what you need for a stretch book are square sheets of paper.
All right, I got my squares.
Square out your paper and
so far
fold
so
it.
good.
Each square folds separately.
All right.
All right. So the first, we're going to set the others aside and just do one at a time.
One at a time.
Right.
Okay. This seems like, Mary, it would be complicated if you were reading directions on how to do this. So I'm glad we're seeing
What I'm going to show you is the easiest method to show, but it's the hardest method to write down.
Got it. Okay.
All right. So what you need first is one diagonal fold.
Okay.
One diagonal fold.
All right. Got that.
All right. This is the trickiest part. This is what you have to look carefully at. Trickiest part. See how this paper is bent this way?
Yes.
We're going to put two more folds in it, but they're going to be bent the other way. So open it up and rebend it the other way to put two cross folds in it.
Okay.
And then
now we're not doing diagonal folds this time.
We're going to do
straight
cross folds. Okay. And then you need to open it up and fold another one. Make sure you open it, Pam.
Okay, mine is open. I am open.
Then
look, I am open.
Fold it in half again.
Again, not a diagonal fold.
So when you open it up, you see you have like a plus sign in there.
Yes.
Two cross folds. And the one diagonal fold, see, is bent opposite.
Yes, I see
that. So if you just put your fingers on the two ends of that diagonal fold.
Yes.
Pull it up together.
Oh, I'm doing it.
And then just squash the rest.
Okay, do the squash. Okay, got the squash.
There you go. That's it.
I did it. I did it.
And that is
yippee skippy.
what you need for a stretch book, then.
Okay, so this is the and you know what's cool? This is on video. You can do the rewind if that's necessary.
Replay
right?
if you need to look at that again. The important part is see that diagonal is bent a different way.
Yes.
So that it just kind of falls together.
Now, what's the next step?
All right, you need 3 of these. You need 2 more of those.
Okay, so good. We have a chance to
then
practice.
you can see it to get one diagonal fold.
Diagonal fold.
And now
flip it. Do I flip
it?
I do that.
So that diagonal fold is up right there, and then this cross fold is going to be bent the opposite way.
Kind of gets a little ridge back on that.
And then open.
Then open before you
and fold it in half again.
Okay, done.
Open up and you put your fingers where that diagonal.
Fingers on the diagonal.
Fold it up.
Fold it together.
And then just squash that.
And squash.
One more time fast this time because we're really good, right?
Oh, we're really good. Let's do it fast.
You tell me, Pam.
All right, I'm doing the diagonal fold. I'm opening it so the ridge is facing up. Now I'm doing a cross fold. Done. Opened back up. Cross fold the other direction, opening it back up. Now I'm grabbing it with my hands on the ends, the diagonal fold, and I'm bringing them together, and now I'm squishing it.
There we go.
Wow, that is very easy because I've done all 3 of mine correctly.
So
what's the next step?
Now that's the hardest part. If you can get those. So here we have the three squares.
Okay.
I'm now putting them together. There's a whole lesson in putting it together.
All right. Show us what happens now.
Because if you look at the finished one, see each square here is actually facing an opposite direction. See, one's
So putting it
in, one's
together
going
now
out.
is a whole different story.
So this is how you put them together.
Right.
Put your hands on the corners here.
Okay. On the folded
Actually,
corner.
it's actually like the very center of the paper where you put your hands. So it's like they're talking to each other.
Got that part?
And then this is the bottom lip, and that's the
Okay.
top lip. And you just want to slide. You don't want to go. No gulping.
No.
No,
Okay.
just slide the.
Slide.
the-
Not this.
No. That's a no.
Sliding
Slide
like this.
like that.
Okay.
And so then once you slide it, you can see where the glue needs to go. It needs to go like on the roof of the mouth.
Yes. Okay. So I got
So
it.
take
okay.
it out, and now you
Take
see
it
where the
apart.
glue needs to go. So put it
Now
right
we're
there
gluing
at the roof of the mouth
the
there.
roof of the mouth and the bottom of the mouth.
And then you take this,
And can we slide it again now?
and then you just slide that right
No squishing,
in,
just sliding.
so that when you open it, then it is.
Look, I'm doing it. That's great.
And now you do the same thing with the third one.
With the third one. And again, it's good to kind of test it that way you did with the
This side.
no
so,
squishy.
So now the same thing. You're going to just slide.
Slide it again.
See where the glue needs to go. Put the glue there.
Alright, oops, I need to actually open my
then-
glue. Glue works better when it's open.
Slide it in.
Okay.
And then press it down really good. All the creases just press
Very
down.
fun too.
Press down so that it will open and fold right back how you.
Alright. I hope I did mine correctly. How did I do?
Yay, Pam! That is a stretch book.
Yay! That is so clever, and it really is easy to do. But you just have to take your time on those first folds so you get it correctly the first time.
There's
And
just
then
3 folds in
Just
it.
three.
So once-
So show me, if you can, Mary, some finished products now of the stretch book.
All right, so this stretch
It's so
book, the
cute.
first graders all added a page. It's about colors. They each wrote a simile about color, and then each of their pages.
Look how
was
cute
glued in.
that is.
So it's a collaborative. But you know what I
Let's
like
start it
about
now,
it?
and you're doing it with the first. I mean, they're
I
not-
made it.
Yeah,
I made it.
yeah,
This
yeah.
is 12 by 12 inch paper.
Got it.
squares.
Okay.
And then I'm just gluing theirs on.
Right.
So
Oh,
I
very
like,
cute.
Yeah, they're so great thing to keep in the classroom library. Nice collapsible book. They love
A
and they
great
can open.
classroom book.
So
yeah.
this is an example from 5th grade.
Now, in your
so-
5th graders, they would probably be doing
They
it
make
on
their own.
Okay.
Each child makes their own. We tied it in with math. We're setting lines and angles. So each child then made their own, and
Wow,
inside
look at
there's all the vocabulary and the
that.
pictures to go along
So
with
really,
the
you
math
could
unit.
use these in any subject area. You could really get creative about what they're writing about
book
or putting
projects,
in their stretch
reports.
books.
This one, a 4th grader published a report in this. So about Boston. So you have to make the whole stretch book
Yeah.
and then lay it out on the table and then glue all these pieces and
Those
then
are
just
so
refold it.
creative, and they make such a neat display, but also easy then, like to store.
Yes. You know how
for,
much room do you have for all those
books.
shoebox projects?
I love it. These are great. I am a believer. I love stretch books.
They're fun.
Super fun.